guys, welcome to today's video. If you guys have been here before, then hey, welcome back. If you have not and it's your first time, then hello. My name is Sheeran. I talk about all things kind of beauty and lifestyle, that sort of thing. Today we're talking more travel-y stuff. So today I'm going to be kind of going through what I take on my carry-on onto the plane with me. So if you guys haven't been here before and you want to see more of my videos, then be sure to click subscribe. It means the world to me and just mean that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So today I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be taking away with me. I'm actually going to be going to France. So I want to show you guys what I take with me in my carry-on bag. So, oh, it's really heavy. Oh, this is my carry-on case. And it's by River Island. This is quite old now, but I love it. And at the top, I have this super glittery luggage label, which is actually by Lottie London, so I love that. First things first, in the top compartment, I always take good old trusty laptop with me and my charger. This comes everywhere with me. It's got my Coconut Lane little cover on. Love this one. It's a MacBook Pro. It's a 13-inch one. I do all of my editing on here, and especially on the plane and stuff, I always take that with me. I tend to keep a lot of electricals in my carry-on because I've had nasty kind of experiences in the past where I've got luggage that's been lost. So always, 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 top tip, keep your stuff in your carry-on if it means a lot to you, because you know where it is. Next up, sticking with that kind of theme, I also have GHD straighteners. Boom. Gotta love those. They always come everywhere with me. These ones are kind of, I think they're called like the V-Max ones or something like that. They're basically for if you've got really long and really thick hair. They're the thickest plates that you can get. Love GHDs. They are literally like my favourite straighteners ever. Then, because I'm not a hairdresser and I'm so bad at doing curls with straighteners, I do have to have like a separate curling wand. So this one comes with like a protective case. You can see there's like burnt through it. This is actually my Jose Eber curling one. This one's the 32mm one. I was going to say 32 inches. I know that would be an insane amount of curling. And I've actually used that on my hair today, so it's just kind of like, I haven't done the best job with it. Today it's looking pretty bad. But this one is just really nice because it's really normally kind of really holds the curls really well and just gives a really nice kind of loose wave. I love that for doing my curls with, although people have often mistaken that for something else, but we won't go there. Then I also have my Great Lengths hair brush. This is like my paddle brush that I always use to brush out my curls and also just on a daily basis because I wear extensions. This is just perfect if you do wear extensions because it's got two kind of lengths of bristles. So it means that it kind of just glides over the extensions really nicely and doesn't kind of tug at them or pull them out in any way. Then I have a few chargers. So I have my iPhone charger. This one is like a 2-meter long one. It's insane, but I showed it to you guys in a recent Primark haul and it's still going strong. I love it. Also, it's not just an iPhone charger, they actually have two ends to it. So you can have, if you pull it off, there's like an Android one. And you know, I've just thought, because I do actually have a separate one for my headphones, because I've got wireless JVC, is it JVC headphones? They're like sports ones, and that's got that cable. So I reckon I could probably, I'm going to try this at the end of this video and see if this works, because if so I can ditch this one. But this is to charge my little headphones with, so if so, that's brilliant, that will work that. Then I also have another charger, which is a bright yellow one. I have loads of electrical stuff in here, and this one is for the famous Huey Boom. I say the famous because me and my sister absolutely bloody love this thing. This is a speaker system and I use it all the time when I'm in the bath and things like that, just to get your music up. So basically it works on Bluetooth. So if you guys want your music really loud, if you're staying in like a villa like we're staying in, it just means that you can like whack this bad boy up and it gets so loud you can have a proper little party with this thing. But all you have to do is just kind of just turn it on, press this kind of button here and it finds the nearest kind of Bluetooth device. So you hook up to your phone or whatever it is and then you can just play it through here. You can also use your laptop and stuff if you want to have like surround sound for any reason. If you're watching Netflix and stuff or whatever on your laptop, hook it up to here and it's so good. So, and it does look pretty as well. And then you turn the volume up and down using these buttons. Then the trusty adapter. Oh, this one's so good. This one is basically like a universe one. So it's like, I think it's called Universal, but I call it for the universe because it basically has everything. So you pull like this one out is for Europe. You can basically like press loads of different things. That's like a British one, and then you just slide back to lock it. Then there's like one for, I think that's America. Oh no, it says USA and Japan. So literally it's amazing. And then you just lock it all up and then you put your other bits in here. So obviously depends if you're from like the US, then you could put your own stuff in here and then you switch it to the UK or the European one. Nice little police car going by, or you can put obviously the British plug in here and then it just goes to whichever one you want. So I actually don't know what company this is, but it's so handy. What else do I have? I have my bits for my camera. I will also take my camera charger and my actual camera, but obviously I'm filming using the camera and my charger is currently charging my battery, my other battery up. So I'm taking a spare Canon battery, but just for anyone that wants to know, I do use a Canon 600D. So these are just the normal Canon batteries for my camera. Take a good couple of those, and then I also take this random little bag that I use. It's like a little case, and it has my memory cards in, my SD cards. So I just take a couple of those with me, and I am definitely going to be filming some footage while I'm out there, so be sure to check out my Come on Holiday with Me video when I'm back. Next up, I always travel with my earplugs, just in case my main case gets lost. I'd be so upset. These ones are by a company called Queeze, I think. I buy these online from Amazon, but you can also get them in France and places like that. I always get them whenever I go to drugstores abroad. And these are just the foam ones. There's 3 pairs of them, and they are super bright, but they're amazing. So if you guys, any of you struggle to sleep, my boyfriend actually really snores really badly, so these are perfect for me because it just means I can just shut out any noise. Second to last, and again, by Coconut Lane, carry them in a little case. Probably need something a bit sturdier, so I might wear these on my head, but I do normally carry them in like a travel on kind of case. These are my shades. I'm going to put them on for you guys because I love them. Wait, I don't know if you're going to get massive reflection on. Let me just go around a little bit so they're not too bad. But these are so cool. They're like a mirrored finish and they're like kind of rose gold sort of colour. Really love those. They're amazing. They're actually super good for your eyes as well. So they actually really do, like, you know, a lot of these kind of really cheaper brands, like I love Primark, but you know, when you buy the sunglasses from there, it's not going to actually be protecting your eyes. So those are so good with UV protection. They are really, really great, and they look cool as well, so I love them. And then finally, the last thing that I'm going to be taking with me, which seems a bit ridiculous because I've only got a few bits, is this is just like a Kiehl's kind of travel case that I had, but it is actually suitable for the plane, and it's just a see-through kind of, you know, like you have to put your liquids in. So I'm just going to really quickly show you what I've got in here because I've only got a few bits. I've got a random hair bubble and my random mirror by Lottie London, but then I've also got a kohl eyeliner, so that one was my MAC Smolder eyeliner. Then I've got the Rimmel Glam Eyes liquid liner, and that one's in Black Glamour. A lip liner and a lip gloss. I'm saying that because these two are in a pack together from Primark. Love them. It's the High Shine lip gloss kind of range. I've got that on my lips at the moment. Then I also have my Charlotte Tilbury. This is my very nude and very worn down lipstick. This one is in Hepburn Honey. Sometimes it can look a bit too chalky though if you don't get the right base, so I do tend to put this over the top if I want it slightly more dark. So this one is my Ciate Liquid Velvet, and it's basically like a matte lip gloss, and that one's in Dazed. And then also this is a really lovely gloss that I wear during the summertime, and this one is by Lancome, and it is the sheer gloss, but it's in number 222. But it's just a really nice, pretty, sparkly, kind of pinky nudie sort of colour, and I love that. And there you have it, you guys. That is what is in my travel on case. That's what I'm going to be taking with me abroad on the plane. Obviously everything else goes in my main hold. Be sure to check out my Instagram because I am going to be posting lots of pictures while I'm away in France. I am also going to be filming while I'm out there as well. So if you guys have any content ideas or stuff you'd like me to see me do, please write in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to have a good read through those because I love to hear from you guys and what you'd like to see me do. And then I'll see you guys in a few days' time in my next video. Bye bye.